The hidden secrets of AI and space exploration. When you picture space exploration, you probably think of astronauts in bulky suits, planting flags on other worlds. But that picture is changing. Far from any human eyes, a silent revolution is happening. In the crushing blackness of space and in the chaotic streams of data from distant stars, a new kind of explorer is taking the lead. They don't breathe, they don't sleep, and they are making discoveries we never thought were possible. For decades, the unsung heroes of space exploration weren't people, but incredibly smart AI systems working behind the scenes. We're about to uncover the incredible ways these silent astronauts are changing the game for space missions, revealing secrets of the cosmos we've only dreamed of. The problem, the tyranny of distance and data. To get why AI is such a game changer, you have to understand the huge problems that come with leaving Earth. First up is the tyranny of distance. When NASA's Perseverance rover is on Mars, a command from Earth can take up to 20 minutes to get there. Imagine trying to drive a car with a 20-minute steering delay. You'd crash immediately. Now, what if your driveway was a field of sharp wheel-shredding rocks on another planet? For the first rovers, every single move was painfully slow and planned days ahead, letting them cover just a few feet at a time. Missions crawled along, and we missed out on amazing science, all because of that lag. The second problem is just a ridiculous amount of data. Telescopes like Kepler and TESS are our eyes on the universe, and they stare at millions of stars at once, creating a flood of information that's hard to even comprehend. Somewhere in all that cosmic noise are the faint whispers of new planets, dying stars, and things we don't even have names for yet. For a human, finding these needles in a galactic haystack is almost impossible. We're just outmatched by the sheer scale of it all. And finally, there's the risk. Space is unforgiving. A single tiny meteoroid, a solar flare, or a system failure can kill a billion-dollar mission in an instant. With no mechanic around the corner, how do you protect these priceless explorers? For decades, these challenges put a hard limit on our ambitions. But now, that limit is breaking. The solution, the rise of the silent astronauts. So, how do you solve these impossible problems? This is where AI steps in, not just as a tool, but as an autonomous mind in the machine. It's being used in 4 key ways that are completely rewriting the rules of space exploration. Secret number 1, the autonomous driver, AI navigation. Remember that 20-minute time delay? The solution was to give the rover a brain of its own. NASA's Perseverance rover is the perfect example. It has an advanced AI navigation system called AutoNav. While people on Earth give it a general route, AutoNav handles the details, basically thinking for itself while it drives. It uses its cameras to build a 3D map of the terrain ahead, spots hazards like big rocks or steep slopes, and plots a safe path around them, all without a single command from Earth. This is a massive upgrade. AutoNav has let Perseverance shatter previous driving records on Mars. It's so good that it recently navigated a treacherous half-kilometer-wide boulder field called Snowdrift Peak, a place that would have taken older rovers weeks to go around. Perseverance just went for it. This freedom means the rover spends less time driving and more time doing what it was sent there to do: science. And that's just the start. An upcoming NASA mission called CADRE, set to launch around 2026, will send a team of 3 small, autonomous rovers to the moon. These suitcase-sized explorers will talk to each other, elect a leader, and work together to map the lunar surface, all without constant human hand-holding. It's the first mission of its kind and shows how a swarm of AI robots can explore a huge area way more efficiently than a single rover ever could. Secret number 2, bridging the void, AI and deep space communication. For as long as we've explored space, we've used radio waves to talk to our probes. But radio is like a dial-up modem in an age of fiber optic internet. It's slow and can't handle the huge files from modern science. The answer? Lasers. And AI is the secret to making them work across millions of miles. NASA's Deep Space Optical Communications, or DSOC, experiment is a tech demo flying on the Psyche spacecraft. Its goal is to prove laser communication can work in deep space, On December 11th, 2023, the system beamed a high-definition video of a cat named Taters from 19 million miles away back to Earth. It came in at 267 megabits per second, which is faster than a lot of home internet plans. The secret sauce is the AI that helps lock in that connection. Trying to point a laser from a speeding spacecraft millions of miles away to a tiny receiver on a spinning Earth is an insane challenge. AI is the brain that keeps that laser perfectly aimed, compensating for any wobbles or atmospheric distortion. The DSOC system has already sent data from over 200 million miles away, about the same distance as Mars at its farthest point. This AI-powered tech will let future astronauts stream HD video from Mars and will boost the amount of science we get back from our robotic missions by at least 10 times. Secret number 3, the Cosmic Detective, AI and Scientific Discovery. Our telescopes gather petabytes of data, which is way too much for any human team to search through. So, how do you find the planets hidden in all that noise? You build an AI to hunt for you. NASA did just that with a deep learning system called ExoMiner, designed to sift through the mountains of data from the Kepler Space Telescope. ExoMiner was trained on thousands of confirmed exoplanets and false alarms, so it learned to tell the difference with incredible precision. And this isn't some black box. Scientists can actually see why the AI thinks it's found a planet. The first time they turned it on, ExoMiner confirmed 301 new exoplanets that were hiding in the Kepler data for years, just waiting to be noticed. It's so good that if ExoMiner says something is a planet, it's basically a lock. This AI is actually more reliable than human experts for this specific task, because it doesn't get tired and doesn't have the same biases. Now it's being used on data from newer telescopes, promising to speed up the hunt for new worlds and get us closer to finding another Earth. Secret number 4, the Guardian Angel, AI Mission Management. The final hidden role of AI is to act as a guardian, watching over our priceless robot explorers. Big missions have millions of moving parts and rules. An AI system called ASPEN, which NASA has used for years, acts as an automated mission planner. It schedules all the activities and can instantly create a new plan if something unexpected happens, making the whole mission tougher and more efficient. Beyond just planning, AI is now being built right into spacecraft to monitor their own health. It's like a doctor for the spacecraft, constantly checking its vitals to predict a failure before it happens. This gives engineers time to fix the problem, or lets the spacecraft protect itself automatically. This kind of predictive maintenance is absolutely vital for long trips to places like Jupiter and Saturn, where one broken part could end the entire mission. AI is also becoming critical for managing the growing swarms of satellites in Earth orbit, automatically dodging space junk to protect our vital communications network. The future, a new era of exploration. These secrets are really just the beginning. The success of systems like AutoNav and ExoMiner is paving the way for a future where AI's role is even bigger. The Cadre mission is a sneak peek of what's coming. Fully autonomous swarms of robots that could build habitats on the Moon and Mars before the first humans even get there. NASA's Artemis program is already planning to use AI-driven robots to do construction on the Moon, using local materials to build landing pads and shelters. We're going to see human-robot teams where AI rovers act as scouts and helpers for astronauts, checking out dangerous areas and carrying heavy gear. And as we push even farther out, AI will manage brand new technologies like quantum communication, giving us secure, super-fast data links across the entire solar system. We are entering a new era of discovery, where human creativity is supercharged by artificial intelligence. These silent astronauts aren't here to replace us. They're here to extend our reach, our senses, and our minds into the final frontier. They are the hidden heroes, working in the dark to unlock the secrets of the universe. What do you think is the most exciting way AI is being used in space? Do you think an AI will be the first to discover signs of alien life? Let us know what you think in the comments. And if you want to stay on top of how technology is shaping our future, make sure to like and subscribe for more. From driving rovers on Mars to finding new worlds hundreds of light years away, AI is quietly changing everything about our relationship with the cosmos. It's solving the fundamental problems of distance, data, and danger that once held us back. The hidden secrets of AI and space exploration show us a future where the only limit to what we can discover is our own imagination. The silent astronauts are here, and thanks to them, the universe is just beginning to open up.